Hey guys, how's everything? This is Amit here from Advices Media. In this video we are going to discuss about the the light field based camera which you are seeing here. So let's say you are going for a small trip, and if you are looking for a handy camera, then which one would you go for? Any DSLR which comes with a large lens and a large body, or else would you like to go for a camera which is very small, which can be kept into your pockets and offers you with the option to focus on the pictures once you are back to your home. So that's what is the Lightro camera which offers you with. So this is the camera. As you can see, it can be easily comes with a very different design when compared to the traditional cameras. That's the normal point and shoot cameras which come with a large display on the back, lens in the front, and all the different options, a bunch of different options, if I can say that. Like, you get a very large number of options which you need to actually understand. The very same case happens with the DSLR camera. Like, when you try to use a DSLR, you get a huge number of options on the top dial, and generally a person who is not much into photography would generally get confused with. But the Lightro camera comes with a very few limited number of options, but which are pretty much useful enough for you. So let me just first tell you what a DSLR would generally offer you for an amateur, not for a professional. So let's say you get option to zoom into the object this way, and then you get option to move the lens and focus properly on the object, and then decide what would be the perfect shot and then capture the shot. So that's what happens in a traditional DSLR camera, wherein you would focus on the object first. Whenever you feel it's perfect, you would go and capture the picture. So that's how the traditional recording works, and the picture would come great. There's no doubt in that. But what Lightro offers you is with a very new technology, wherein you can capture the photo first and then go back home, run the Mac based application which comes onto this device, and then you're done. You can start editing the photo, uploading it, and sharing it with your friends. So that's what the new light field camera offers you with. It says that it comes with 100 years of technology behind it in theory, and then 10 years of concept stuff. Finally, this is the product which has come out. The front part is made of graphite, probably plastic or something. Looks like graphite, sorry, and comes with plastic body. On the back you have the rubber type of body which cannot slip from your hands, but again you also get the option of this in case of security. Now when you talk about the camera, on the front you have the lens here. That's the Lightro lens. And when you talk about the body, on the back you have the display screen wherein you can check out the photo and also take a preview, and also take a look into the previous captures. Now when you talk about the buttons, it's quite hard to find the different buttons, but let's take a close-up shot and check out what it comes with. Here is the option to connect the micro USB cable and transfer the data from your camera to your PC, and also using the same option you can charge your camera. So it's hidden somewhere around here. Then next, this is the on-off switch. Nothing here, here, and here. There's one option here which is a shutter button for capturing the photos, and then if you take a close look here, there are very small dots continuously here, which is actually the zoom in and zoom out function. So let me just show that to you. One tap on this and the camera is on. This is the way you can find the preview here. Select the object. Let's say, let me just take the object into the here, and here we are into the object. As you can see here, if you feel that the object is quite far, you have an option to zoom in and zoom out. So let me just show that to you. So here, as I had earlier mentioned, this is a zoom in and zoom out function. You can find a small preview of the same on the top. You just have to swipe onto the object this way, and you are zooming into the object. So this is how it works. That's a zoom in and zoom out. When you are ready with the object, you need to press onto the shutter button. So generally this is not how the actual picture should be taken on a Lytro camera. The actual way is to select a bunch of objects in the same photo and then capture the photo, and then once you are done you can start editing on your Mac, select the area where you would like to focus, and then export the image in a web friendly format like a PNG or something like that. So overall this is a touch based screen wherein you can take a preview and also do a few more functions. Let me just show you that. Once you swipe from the right to the left towards the right, you can preview all the previous captures which you have taken on this device. So that's how it is. Now let's say one of these pictures is your favorite, then you can just tap on the star mark on the top, which would actually favorite this picture, and ensure that this is first imported on the Mac based application. And then apart from that, you also have a few other options for which you need to swipe from bottom to the top this way, and here you have the settings option wherein there are a small list of options available to you, like the about section, which would show you more information about the current version of the software, the serial number of this device, and other information. The delete all option would delete all the pictures which were captured onto this camera, and the reset option would reset all the settings. Apart from that, this option would show you the total available storage, leftover storage, and this option will show you the battery. So there are very few limited options available, but that's enough for you generally, because that's what you would need generally on a small camera. So that's the Lytro camera. As of now there is no Windows software support, which is a very big no-no for this camera in case you're planning to buy it, because most of the users are still familiar with Windows based applications and are not okay with the Mac based application. And the second reason why I would not suggest you to buy this camera is the final output, because there's no resolution mentioned, but again still the overall resolution of the captures is very less, and you may feel that a point and shoot camera would have offered you a better capture when compared to this one. So that's another reason. And the third reason would be that each of the output file is somewhere in the range of 20 to 25 MB, which means there's a lot of data to be processed once you have captured the picture. So it's not that you can just move around and capture a bunch of photos believing that once you're home you can just go and edit these photos, because there's a lot of data to be handled at the end of these captures. So overall this is the Lytro camera, a very new technology, and we hope that probably in a year or two Lytro would come out with an actual camera with very high resolution output and many other features onto this camera. In case you are planning to buy this, it's officially not available in India, but still there are a few stores like Zoomin which are selling the same. You can check that out. So thanks for watching. Do subscribe to our channel for more related videos, and we'll keep you updated with the latest technology. Thank you.